Hi, I'm Morna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I got a hug in a box. That's what I call Happy Mail. It really is. When you stop and think about Happy Mail, the person that sent that spent a lot of time getting that ready for you and money. And it is a hug. And look at all this great packaging stuff I got. I use so much of that, and I reuse everything. When I sell on my shop, if you get a package from me, it's going to have reused packing peanuts and all of this. Thank you very much, Gosha. And this is from Dolls, Trolls, and More. Her channel is one you will want to watch. We will leave a description below, and you should go by and take a look. She has just what it says, Dolls, Trolls, and More. Ooh, here's some ribbon I'll be reusing. Promise you I'll be reusing that. What a lovely box. Thank you very much. Honestly, the packing, the ribbon, and the box. I love it. Oh,
she's like a cat at Christmas.
I am. I like a good box. Oh, one for each of us. A peppermint stick. Oh, wait a minute. I better hide this or Darren.
That'll be gone before luckily she's got to change her clothes, so.
When I go to change clothes, Darren will have that eaten. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you want some of that? Oh, look at the fabric. And it's all in sizes that I can use, it looks like, down to my mini Blythe. Oh, how nice is that? Oh my God, I can see this on my mini Blythe, the little patterns that I use for it. I made my own patterns, and I need to get on those again. Oh, Gosha, these are, oh, very well received. I am loving that. Oh, how cute is this? A little pink stocking. Oh, and it's very, very soft with some lip gloss. Thank you so much. I love pink. Yes, pink is my favorite color. My middle son teases me and says, how can you say that pink is your favorite color? It's not even a color, it's faded red. That's what he calls it. Warm thoughts and furry, should I get glasses on? With warm thoughts and flurry of merry wishes. Oh my goodness, there's more in here. There's a Michael's card. Oh, my goodness. Hoping you enjoy the best that Christmas has to offer. Merry Christmas to you and your family, and best wishes for 2023. Gosha. Wow. Wow. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know what to say. I can't thank you enough. Go by, we'll leave a link in the description, and check out Gosha's channel. Subscribe to her channel. Like her videos. Comment like you do here, and I always appreciate. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. I cannot thank you enough, Gosha, and subscribe.